Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Vertex AI detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Google Cloud, cloud.google.com. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started for Free button and click on it. You will be redirected to a sign-up page. Here, enter your Google account credentials to log in. If you don't have a Google account, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Google Cloud console. Look for the Select a Project drop-down at the top of the console. Click on that drop-down and select New Project to create a new project. In the dialog box, enter a name for your project. You can also edit the project ID if desired. Once you've entered the information, click on Create. After your project is created, ensure it is selected in the drop-down. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and find AI and Machine Learning. Under that category, click on Vertex AI. Here, you may be prompted to enable the Vertex AI API if it's not already enabled. Click on Enable to proceed. Next, select a billing account if prompted. If you don't have a billing account, follow the instructions to set one up. Once your billing account is linked, go back to the Vertex AI dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the different features available. You can explore options for building models, managing datasets, and deploying AI solutions. Next, click on Datasets from the sidebar. You will find an option to create a new dataset. Click on it and follow the prompts to upload your data. After your dataset is uploaded, you can begin training a model. Click on the Models tab to initiate this process. Here, follow the prompts to select your training configurations. After the model is trained, you can deploy it for use. Utilize the Endpoints section to set up your model for predictions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.